Fairfax County's Department of Procurement and Material Management, in partnership with the Department of Economic Initiatives, is pleased to announce the launch of the Vendor Pitch Portal. The Vendor Pitch Portal features a new electronic process for vendors to promote their products and services to Fairfax County agencies for procurement consideration. The new process will increase visibility and equitable opportunity for a wide pool of prospective vendors to connect with county agencies as potential customers. If you're a vendor with a legally established business in the Commonwealth of Virginia and you've already attended the Department of Procurement and Material Management Vendor Workshop, the Vendor Pitch Portal is a tool that you can use to submit your business's information, offerings, and marketing materials. To get started, visit fairfaxcounty.gov and in the upper right-hand corner, click Search and type Vendor Portal. Once you're on the web page, click the red ribbon that says Next, complete the form, and then complete the Vendor Pitch Portal submission form. You'll be directed to complete a short form certifying that you are fully permitted and licensed to operate in the Commonwealth of Virginia. It will also ask for your contact and general business information. Space is provided to describe how your business aligns with Fairfax County's One Fairfax Racial and Social Equity Policy. The policy is hyperlinked for your reference. If you have promotional or marketing materials, you can upload them here too. Please provide as much helpful information in the open text fields as possible. This way, county agencies can most thoroughly evaluate whether the product or service you're offering is a good match. Next, select Submit. A pop-up screen will acknowledge that your submission was received and the information you submitted will be held in the database for 1 year. County agencies will be notified when submissions are received and will have on-demand access to the database. If an agency is interested in learning more about your product or service, they will reach out directly to the contact information you provide. You can find more information about the Vendor Pitch Portal and support for small businesses in the FAQs for vendors on the DPMM webpage at fairfaxcounty.gov. Fairfax County is looking forward to learning more about your business.